So Haley, how come you can't make it into a ball?
Because it's squishy.
Okay, people that are not from Texas, how do you make a snowman when it's just soft powder? It doesn't stick together.
It's just.
See? What do we do?
I'm gonna throw snow at you.
Tyler's just gonna make snow art instead of snowman.
I'm making a snow bank. I'm gonna be the best of the best. Okay?
It's okay if she chews on a brick. She likes bricks.
Yeah, but she keeps doing that and it makes her gums bleed.
She wouldn't do it if she didn't like it. Nala! Chloe!
I got a giant fish.
What are you doing with that stick? Well, that's one way to do it.
And then so we can make the full man.
Well, we've got a problem. The snow doesn't want to make a snowman. It's so soft and powdery. It's not sticking.
I know how to do it. We can't play fresh.
Yeah, you can throw it in the parking lot. Throw it in the parking lot. Throw it in the parking lot. It's a brick. She loves bricks. She's playing with her brick.
She's like, I gotta get it back in the
What are you doing, Nala? What is that? It's her brick.
Where are you going?
To protect it.
She's so silly. Haley. Yeah? Remember when on SpongeBob they got the snow day?
What you doing, Parky? Parky, what you doing? What you building?
Nothing.
Let me see your face.